Go. मैं फोटो निकाल तो नहीं है. Hi everyone.
Hi.
All of these people, my family members, my mom, my dad, my mother-in-law, my sister, my husband, yeah, they are all going to play one role each in doing my makeup today. Yes, some of them do not know that. Some of them are surprised. I know. Okay, so let's begin. The first job is my husband's. Ask what is your job?
What's my job?
Base. Forming the base. Canvas.
Oh my god.
Do you know what a base is?
I know basics of Java.
Basics of Java. Alright. Base makeup meaning foundation and everything.
Okay.
Got an idea?
Yes, yes.
It's like you are preparing the wall. Wall.
Correct.
It's like painting the wall.
Seems to be a difficult job, I think.
Let's see what you can do.
Okay.
We'll begin. We'll begin.
Based on your luck. Let's see how your luck is.
Let's see how lucky I am.
Best of your life.
Thank you. Okay. So, what do they do to the wall first before painting?
They'll clean the wall.
I cleaned my wall.
Okay.
I cleaned my wall.
After that, they will whitewash.
No whitewash, please. Here, no whitewashing happens.
Okay.
You are missing one step.
Is it? No idea.
No, think.
Uh,
Think.
this is a software brain.
You forgot.
Primer.
Ah, yes. He got it. He got it.
Did you just... My sister. She whispered from far away, which I did not hear. I was busy talking here and he...
I got cheats.
Cheats. Wow. Slip.
Slip. Yeah.
That's not a slip. Tongue slip.
So, I have two here. Which one do you want to choose as a primer?
This is looking small and this is looking interesting. I think it fits my hand. I
What?
will choose this one.
How does it matter which one fits in the hand? Okay. Take.
Open it.
Okay. Completed.
Completed.
Step 1.
What did you do? Okay, removing the plastic.
Yes.
What's next?
You have to decide. Primer, no?
Primer.
That tongue slip happened and you copied.
We
What
have to
will you
take
do
it
with
a
the-
lot in my hand and I have to use my four fingers. and
You do what you want to do, you do.
Hey, this is wet powder. Is it?
Yes, wet powder.
I know I am doing a fabulous job. No need for any appreciation later.
Okay, sir.
Usually on TV they will show like this one.
When did you watch TV with this kind of stuff?
Commercials.
Who airs this kind of makeup commercials in India on TV?
I don't know. Some cream, whatever
Okay,
it is.
Cream. Okay.
Everything we have to apply like this only. First 2 cheeks and here. That's it.
Cool, I have only 2 cheeks and a forehead.
Yes.
Okay, do whatever you want. I will not tell anything.
Okay. Wet powder applied. Step 2 completed.
Okay, sir. What do you think is step 3?
One more powder.
Don't you think you have to, like, what happens in next step? What is the next step in painting after primer? Do you put powder on walls?
Think, use your brains.
I never painted a one.
Huh?
I never painted a one.
But you saw it.
Not that much.
Hey, shut up. Think.
It's a difficult job.
Only coding, okay? Only coding. I will hit you.
One more cheat. Foundation.
Okay. Now what do you do with the foundation?
We'll put the foundation.
Okay, put it. Take. Do you even know which one is the foundation?
This one.
Wow. Okay.
See.
Did you tell that
No.
one too?
No.
Okay.
This is my own brain.
Bachgi.
This one.
Your own what? Guess.
Yes.
Okay, what do
I
you do
use
with
my
that?
own brain and just.
Okay, sir, what do you do with that?
We have to open this.
And?
No,
I don't know, sir. I don't know.
it's too wet.
Some Dabur Vajradanti toothpaste is there, right? Looks like same.
Dabur Vajradanti. When did they release Dabur Vajradanti?
Someone released Vajradanti.
Vico Vajradanti.
Vico Vajradanti. Okay.
Did you ever use Vico Vajradanti?
Yes, in my childhood.
How much I have to take?
I don't know. You are the painter. You do it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's your face. Not mine.
Yeah.
Something goes wrong also, it's fine.
Eh? Okay, sir. Okay.
It took so much.
And now?
Same. All same. Put on cheeks first, on forehead. That's it, done. I don't know whether I wash my hands or not.
What a quick revelation, sir.
You're giving me a surprise, I am giving you a surprise. That's
What kind of this is?
LHS is equals to RHS.
What?
Hence proved.
What did you prove?
This.
Don't you say? I did a great job, I know.
You decided yourself
Yes.
that you did a great job.
Yes. Everyone can see.
Can you see? Seems good. I better check in the mirror. I don't know what horror I'm gonna see now. Not bad for the first time. Okay, sir. Sir, what is the next step, sir?
Next step, after foundation, makeup.
So, what do you call this?
Base.
Is that not makeup?
Makeup is also, I don't know.
Okay.
Baby को
There is
बेस
a-
पसंद है.
Okay. What is next? There is one last step.
I got it.
Got
I
it.
know.
You
I
better
remember-
not slip your tongue. That's my
No.
sister.
I thought why she asked to bring me that one. I will show you what. This one. To put it on her sindoor.
Ruko, my kati. Ruko. I told about base,
Oh,
not sindoor.
base is done.
So look around. One last time.
Some kind of powder is there. Is this one?
Show
No.
them what you picked. He picked this one to put all over my face. Sir, can you please rethink, sir? What should be done by you?
Difficult job. Saturday. Today's weekend.
So,
Mine will.
brain will not work. So, what is your plan, sir?
If you ask me on working day, I will tell you.
Okay, now what is your plan, sir?
Nothing.
How are you planning on finishing this one?
It's done.
No, it's not.
What else is required?
One last step, sir. Please, sir.
So already looking gorgeous. I don't know why you are putting all these things. Right?
कुछ ज़्यादा मस्का नहीं हो गया?
Again, you are going to give me appreciation. No, not required.
Once, please think. How can you finish this?
No, hands up.
Okay. I myself will tell off. Please take this one and finish it.
Something fix this is.
Yeah, fix this, please.
Okay.
Fix this, please. Otherwise, it will go off. No, you should fix it. No. Okay. Whatever is left on your hand, what are you planning on doing with that?
I'll wash my hand. Why are you asking these silly questions?
Meaning, I don't have anything else.
If
to
something
cover.
left on your hand, you will wash with your hand or not? Tell me. Right? Yes.
I will hit you if you slip your tongue once more.
No, I'm not going to.
That's my
entertain any
sister
cheats.
again. Daddy, please, Daddy. Okay, forget. Wash your hand. Do whatever you want with it. Do something with this one. Fix my face. How are you serious? what he's doing. Show them what you did. Are you planning to apply that on my whole face with your fingers?
Oh, I had to use some brush.
No, thanks.
Give me some brush.
No, you pick, sir. You see, sir, so many brushes we have. What do you think? Which one is the right brush?
I think this one will fit. Painting the wall.
It's tickling. It's poking. It's scratching.
You are a guinea pig.
So?
Pigs will not speak.
What? What?
Done. This much only makeup.
Yeah, sir. Enough, sir. I'm looking gorgeous, no?
I don't know why you people take this much time, so much time to do this much small thing.
We are artists, okay?
Is it?
We do art.
Okay. This is the appreciation I got. See. 5.
Where will you go? Nice appreciation.
Yes.
Go. Okay, madam. Next step. पधारिए. आइए. आइए. Yeah.
By the way, I got one idea. Why to waste this and why to wash my hand? Why can't I put this one here?
Finally. Finally. ये भी my ball is such. You cheaters! We are very good at it. Yeah, I know.
IT brain.
IT brain. We are uneducated fools who just keep swiping colors on our faces, no? Huh? Okay, madam. This is another highly educated one. That one was IT. This one is MBBS.